Should be starting.
Okay, so for this assignment, we have to look at the something glacier, the Helheim Glacier.
Yay! Yeah, and it has all these pictures too here.
Yeah, they didn't make it.
I know, I was looking at them, I was like, what does this mean? But okay, cool. Cool.
And then he had the link, and I clicked on that. And what's funny about it, I'll show you, it's pretty weird.
Okay.
Someday it'll come up. Hold on. I hate Google Hangouts. All right.
Okay.
Cool. This thing's struggling hardcore. Look at that. Yeah, that's the problem. I'm just kidding. Okay. So here it is. It looks like it's like right on the ground, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man. Why isn't this working? I hate computers today. Sorry.
No worries.
Oh. Every time I try something, it just gives up. Okay, so you see what's happening? The pin for Helheim Glacier is up in the middle of the air. Like half a mile up in the air. So, man, I can only change a few degrees at a time. I'll be here for the next 30 days.
So, I'll see if I can do it with mine.
Yeah. So the point is, like, he's having us measure the distance to and from something, but I can't pinpoint where that is on the ground. I've been trying all evening. Just because I'm quitting. This is painful to look at. It's you know, it's up in the air. So.
Let's see. I will see if I can find it. Okay. My Google Earth is still loading, so give me a second.
No problem. I'm just looking back at the assignment.
Yeah, because he wants to know how much in kilometers that it has retreated, right?
I think so.
I have no idea how to figure that out, but
yeah, that's where I'm at. Like, what are we gonna do?
All right. Well, okay. I don't know what happened to it, but the pin. Oh, there it is. Okay.
Yeah. So.
Oh yeah, it's like floating in the air. Yeah. And how do you like measure it over years? I guess there's a way to do a time span, isn't there?
I don't know. That's what I was wondering.
I don't know how to use Google Earth because I'm not a Google Earth technician, but let's see. I will try and share this with you. Let's see if I can screen share. All right.
Ah, there we go. Cool.
Cool. So okay. Where the pin went, I'm not quite sure. Oh, there it is. It kind of just moves. I don't know.
Yeah, it just moves like I don't even know what to do with it.
Yeah, I think it's maybe just to let us know where it's at. So this is the glacier here. Maybe.
Yeah.
Like this area Here's the glacier that we're looking at.
So, wait, I think I get it now. Okay, can you zoom in just a little bit?
Okay.
I think we're supposed to compare this image. This was taken in 2016, and we have to compare it to these images that are on iLearn. Let's see, when were these taken? He says they were taken
2001, 2003, and 2005. But I only have 2 pictures showing here.
2. But I'm not the only one. Okay. So, can you just cloud in the way? You still have there's a cloud. That's all. Okay. Just zoom in a little bit and then go to the right.
How far do you want me to zoom in? Like there?
That right there is good.
Okay.
Oh, that cloud's just even bigger now. That's great. Okay, and then move to the right.
To the right?
Yeah. Wow, Google Earth has problems. It's so awesome. I mean,
Don't you just love it?
yeah.
If I knew how to use it, it'd be great. But
Yeah, I mean, I know how to use it, but I still think all Google apps are kind of lousy.
yeah.
So there's a feature here. It's
Up on
like
the top?
Yeah, like are you looking at the iLearn thing? iLearn.
I have both the iLearn and then the Google Earth opened up.
Yeah, so look at the iLearn picture, and then that in the top right corner, there's that tributary. If we can look at that on Google Earth, then we would be able to.
Well, isn't it? Wouldn't it be that there-ish? Do you see what I'm looking at? Is that it?
What I was looking at? Oh, yeah, right there.
Like this thing, that you can tell it like everything's melting and breaking off.
Yeah. So the
Interesting.
glacier is moving backwards.
Mm-hmm.
So what we got to do is, I keep trying to move Google Earth thing on your screen. All we got to do is do a measurement, I guess, of where the I don't know,
I don't even know how to do that. I'm like, oh, there's a ruler.
yeah, use the
2
ruler.
meters. Okay, in what direction am I measuring it? So how far it's...
Yeah, but so on the pictures in the iLearn thing, they don't tell you where...
Or what the retreat is. I guess we could start from right about here-ish. I don't even know how to do this. It just keeps grabbing. Oh, there we go.
Where I was thinking even
more
farther.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'll tell
can do that.
Right where my mouse is. Never mind.
I can't see your mouse.
Well, I thought it was your mouse, and so I was like, right where your mouse is. But it turned out as mine.
Like right here? Is that? Can you see where my mouse is at?
Yeah. It's like
where that edge is of that rock or land. I guess it's not rock.
I think so. This doesn't make any sense. There's nothing to go with here.
I know, but we can make things up and act like we know what we're doing.
Oh, wait a second. Oh, I can scroll to the right.
Oh, the picture's even larger. Okay, but my thing won't let me see anymore. This picture. Hold on. Let's see. I can only go so far. Hold on, let's see.
Holy cow.
Is the picture on iLearn even bigger? Yeah.
Yeah, you can
there we go.
Right. That's so cool. Okay. So now we have a measurement. You can see kind of in the bottom picture, you can see where it has, where it's terminating. And I guess it's to the right a bunch. Not a bunch, but you don't even have to scroll to the right that far to see it.
Mm-hmm. So we want to do like kind of where the edge of the picture is, to where it's.
Yeah, like it's like barely. I don't know if you can see my screen, but it's
A
like
little bit shorter than where I'm at, you think?
um. You know, wow, that doesn't really help much, does it?
I'm like, I don't really, like, I can see it, but I'm also like, what? How far?
Why did it do that?
Oh no! Ah! Undo. I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
Clear. There we go. So, like, let me see. I'm gonna.
Yeah, okay, so it'll be halfway between that top flow, that tributary, and then the one to the right. So that's where
So,
2001, that's where the moraine is.
like,
Not right there, to the left a lot. It's like half that big. So like right
there?
No, even more. Yeah.
Like right here?
A little more to the right.
Tell me
Yeah.
when to stop.
Right there.
Right here?
Yep.
Okay.
Looks like it's about
Like
there.
that?
Uh-huh. So it goes from there all the way to where we see the ice melting to the left.
Okay. Oh. What happened to my line? There we go. Like about there?
Oh no, much further.
Okay. Does that? Oh no. Something's going on with my computer.
Melt.
Okay. So it says that it's about 7.21 kilometers.
Okay. Well, it needs to go farther than that, though. Like you see where the ice.
Even up there? Okay, I see what you're saying. Okay. Hold on. Like up here. Right about there?
Oh yeah. Right there is good.
Okay. All right.
What does that say?
It says that it is about 20.32 kilometers.
20.32?
Mm-hmm.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
So 20.32.
Yeah.
And that means what? I don't know. Okay, using historical satellite imagery. That was taken in 2014. Shows down at the bottom imagery date, 2014. That's cool.
This one that we're looking at on Google Earth, or
Yeah, like if you zoom in, it'll show you down at the bottom imagery date, and it'll tell you a date when the image was taken. Except when you were to the left a little bit, it showed July 2014.
okay, 1 second. I'm naming the line so we don't have to redo it. There we go. We have to have some kind of a document or anything for this thing.
I think so. Okay, so it says use Google Earth to estimate how much retreat has occurred over the past 14 years in kilometers. So in the past 14 years, the length of the line is the amount of retreat.
Yeah,
That's what, 22 miles or kilometers?
Yeah, kilometers. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, that is our answer, 22 kilometers in the last 14 years. Now said,
Perfect.
as a group, discuss possible reasons to explain this amount of retreat in such a short period of time.
Global warming.
Global warming, answered everything.
Yeah, well, yeah, and I mean, what I'm studying right now too is about, like for my annotated bibliography, is all about coral reefs and the effect of the pH and all of that stuff, which changes the temperature of the water. So
Yeah.
it changes everything, and it's all because of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Yay! So that's a possible reason. So just warm, like because of that stuff, it's just warmer and whatnot.
Yeah.
I don't know what else.
I think another reason would be you have glaciers are caused by having too much snow and not enough melt in a season.
Mm-hmm.
So I mean, it's like fat people, they eat too much and don't work it off. Because I like fat people. So this glacier is, I guess, changes in snowfall. I guess like it's just been snowing less in Greenland.
Yeah.
Greenland anyway. That could be another part of it.
Or just, yeah, and in of itself, like, yeah, if it's not snowing as much, or even if it is snowing, but it's warmer, so it's melting, so you have a lot more snow melt, I feel like that would do that. Or even it could be some movement too underneath it, breaking up the ice and the glaciers and things like that. So then they're breaking off and floating into the water and not as built up.
Right.
I don't know.
I don't know. Let me Google it. Why do glaciers melt? A student's guide to global climate change. Oh boy. Did you know this whole process has had like 4 different names in the last 10 years? It started out with greenhouse effect, then it went to global.
Yeah.
Now it's called climate change.
They
Wow.
just want to keep renaming it because people are like, oh, that's not a real thing, so they rename it and they try and make us
Right.
more. When I'm like, yeah, it's a real name.
Things like greenhouse effect get some kind of bad rap, and so scientists are like, well, I don't want to say I'm studying that, so
I'm gonna change it. Yeah.
yeah. I just googled why do glaciers melt, and all I'm
And
getting
that's all.
is global warming. Well,
Yay!
the melting of glaciers is normal and natural process. Every single one melts.
It's true. I mean, it has
Frosty the
to,
Snowman melted.
because it's not always freezing, or it's not as cold as it was before. So I mean, some of it has to melt at some point.
Yeah. Yeah, no, bunch of stuff. Oh, and it had to help reduce global warming. Yay! I'll totally do that. I'll stop driving my car. Anyway, um, I don't know. Does the book say anything about why glaciers?
That's what I was just looking up. I was trying to see. So, let's see. We have glacial erosion, glacial deposits. Probably erosion would probably be. Mm. Hmm. I'm currently not seeing anything, but I mean, let's see.
All right then. That makes it easier.
I know there's probably something in there, but I'm not seeing it. You know, like it's hidden in there in the text, and I'm scrolling through fast, so I'm like, I'm not. Well, and it could be also like the placement of the Earth and its rotation. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
as it moves too, that could maybe affect it at some point. And if the plate tectonics are moving at all, and if they're in a different, warmer climate.
Yeah.
Let's see. Because that's what I was talking about during the Ice Age and when that all happened and how that affected it.
Right.
So that's a possible thing. Other effects. Sea level changes. Yeah, that could also affect it. I mean, it's going to affect sea level changes, but
Yeah.
if other areas are melting and increasing more higher sea levels, that could also change.
Yeah.
Why it's melting or retreating. Yeah, that's all I've kind of seen so far in the book. So
All right.
mainly global warming it is. All right.
All
Cool.
right.
Do we need to do anything else?
Nope. That's pretty much it.
Okay,
Now we just
cool.
close it out and submit it.
Sounds good. Awesome. I will send you the link right now. Hold on, let me find that.
Okay.
This time my computer's letting me copy it. Last time it was being a pain. Oh,
Computers are so dumb.
yes. There's that there, and I will send it to you also in an email so you have it, just in case.
Right on.
Oh.